To fix lower back pain permanently requires overcoming weak links in your body whilst developing your strength and flexibility in balance, which means fitting lots into your workouts. The old formula looks like this. To get strong, you go to the gym. To get flexible, you do yoga classes, which means you have to do more workouts and you get less time for everything else. This usually leads to overwhelm, frustration, and then eventually just giving up on your whole fitness goals. The new formula looks like this. Strength and flexibility in the same workout equals less total workouts equals more time for everything else. But how do you get strength and flexibility done in the same workout without spending a crazy amount of time in the gym? Since it takes multiple sets on one muscle group to achieve noteworthy strength and flexibility results, workout efficiency is critical. In the UMS, we have a formula that develops both in an insanely efficient way, so you can get your workouts done in 40 or 60 minutes. By using active recovery, we work on flexibility during the rest period between strength training. And to ensure we don't negatively impact strength development and increase risk of injury, we stretch the upper body while strengthening the lower body and vice versa. So instead of doing a set of deadlifts and then resting 3 to 5 minutes before doing another set, try doing some thoracic extension on the foam roller whilst resting from your set of deadlifts. This works on upper body flexibility whilst you're recovering from your lower body strength training. And when you're doing your bench press and bent over row workout, you can do some hamstring and hip flexor stretching in between sets. You can get all of that done in 5-minute rounds, which means that in 25 minutes, you can get 5 rounds done. That's enough volume to see real strength and flexibility improvements. When you balance your strength and flexibility, you'll see a significant reduction in your lower back pain. I've actually got spondylolisthesis in L4 and L5 and a pars fracture. You can see it here in this X-ray. Yet I have absolutely no pain. And if you go back 10 years ago, I was in pain all the time because I didn't have this balance of strength and flexibility. Now, you can absolutely reduce your lower back pain if you follow these steps and these principles. And if you want to see how I put this all together in a workout that's very similar to what we do in the UMS, you can just click or tap the screen there. Join in with me in this efficient follow along workout to relieve your lower back pain, and I'll see you in that next video.